we decided to choose this flask because it was fun and original.
Here we were trying with different functions depending on the graph we wanted to make. At first, it was a little difficult because graphs didn't appear as we want to. But while we were modifying the functions, the graphs move where we want to and create the form of the glass.
We made the limits by declaring of which number x should be smaller or equal than or bigger and equal than.
Okay, so these are the functions that we use in order to get our flask made. First, we use a logarithmic one for the base because it has like a little curve on the corner, and we use three linear functions, not one, not two, but three. And finally a parabola because we needed to make like the upper part, and we have to see the results. And here there are the results, but here are with the flask. We need to take it out, and perfect. Yeah, it worked really great. The logarithmic function with the little curve works so well in the corner. It was necessary, and the linear functions also work as it was necessary, and the little parabola make like a little difference, and I don't know, I think that it looks really great and our work was really successful. And now we have to put these graphs in our app Mathematica to get our 3D figure, so let's check it out.
When we plot the functions of Desmos in Mathematica, we get another figure that has nothing to do with what we wanted to do. So we had to make some modifications in the functions of Mathematica so we can get our flask.
Now, Mathematica was a little bit complicated because it wasn't only like putting the equations in the app, you had to analyze what number and what sign does, and that's why it took us a lot of time. And when we finally thought we had it, the 3D figure that appeared, it was very confusing and not what we expected to be.
I was personally really confused and scared at first because I didn't know how to fix it, and it was like really confusing for me because also another team told to us that it was like really weird and they didn't got the results they wanted. But at the end, I think that we got the results we needed. So here they are.
Hi, my name is Paulina, and I think that for this project we were very challenged because we had to return to our previous knowledge and apply it. The knowledge was from third semester, and we were able to apply it not only how we used to do it, but using the knowledge that we learned and that we acquired this semester, such as integrating functions and using them to transform an object that is plain to a 3D form. I also believe we had a lot of fun because it was really challenging to learn how to use the app to turn things to 3D and its plan. We would have loved to print it with the impresora, pero no se pudo. In general, this was a very challenging and fun project to do, and it helped us practice what we were learning and apply it in a general thing and our life.
I really like working on this project because besides I think it was a very interesting topic, it helped me to understand how all this process works and apply some of the topics we learned during the semester in something like this. To create objects like a bottle of water or a cup, or in our case a flask, that are objects that we use in our daily lives, and now we know how all this process works to create 3D models.
I personally think that doing this type of projects help us to see that calculus is very important in our daily life, and without it a lot of things that we use day by day couldn't exist. In this case, like a flask, or maybe it could be like a bottle or anything that you use. And it was really fun to make it and to see how calculus apply. Inside of thoughts.